In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to leave blank comment on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know that how to leave blank comment on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the comment section. You can see here comment, and you are going to leave comment, but you are not writing something. You have to just put your dot and something and don't write anything. Push this red mark arrow up and you can see your comment will appear here, but that is empty. That was the whole procedure, that how can you leave comment blank. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.